pamilya ng ano, more about family, less about politics. So okay naman, tawanan namin, enjoy naman ang usapan namin.
Yung last time po kasi, nung kasama yung mga kapatid nyo, hindi kayo nakapasok, no,
Opo.
dahil hindi arrange. So itong trip na ito is the first time na
Yes,
nakapasok kayo.
first time
How did you feel po yung una nyo nakita si Tatay Digong? And when was the last time you saw him before your
Ito
visit?
din sabi ko sa tatay ko, hindi ko alam kung mag-iyak ako o masaya ako. Yun, I don't, somewhere in between. So, pagkita ko sa kanya, siyempre, nakasmile din siya, nagulat din siya. Kasi siguro, surprise.
And you're Vice Mayor, acting Vice Mayor of Davao now, no? So
Yes, sir.
what will be the report that you will give to your constituents about the state of their mayor?
Okay naman si Tatay Digong nyo, ang ating mayor. Siyempre, nagpasalamat siya sa mga suporta. Gigawa pa rin siyang mayor ng Davao. Iboto pa rin siya. Sana, we hope and pray na makauwi na siya.
Ano pong promise nyo kay Tatay Digong as far as the discharge of your functions as Vice Mayor?
As long as he's healthy.
Kayo po, anong pangako nyo sa niya na gagawin nyo as acting Vice Mayor?
So, kung anong ginawa niya dati na mabuti sa Davao, ipatuloy namin ni Mayor Baste. And we'll have our own ideas to improve the wellness of the people of Davao.
Ma'am Titi, this is this expected return trip or
Actually,
biglaan?
biglaan siya. So, originally, just Rigo and his wife were supposed to visit PRRD. But I found my free time, then I immediately booked my tickets here to join them.
Until when po will you be here? And,
As usual, I have no return flight yet. Just to make sure that may maiwan sa kanila.
and I'm sure you're making plans already for Christmas. No? We have plans already for Christmas too. We will assemble a very big crowd here
Wow!
and we will sing Christmas carols para kahit anong mangyari maririnig niya.
Wow!
Kahit saraduhin pa nila ang kwarto niya, maririnig nila yung aming kanta. We will gather as many people to sing Christmas carols.
Hopefully, in
Thank
Jesus'
you.
name, we don't have to
Jesus'
spend
Be
it
sure
here.
to maabot din
Yeah,
sa
but
kanya.
hopefully we will all go home.
Na mga
We will all
supporters
go
niya
home.
nag-prepare
We will
na ng
all go home.
Pasko.
Yes. Anyway,
I am not a Filipino for nothing. I did what I had to do. And whether you believe it or not, I did it for my country.